Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use bloom or light emitting from object in Blender. In this video, I will show you how to apply bloom to a cube or other Blender object that will make an object look like emitting light. First step is open the Blender, then select an object, for example in my case cube. Second step is click on the material properties. Third step is click on Principled BSDF, then from the pop-up menu click on Emission. Fourth step, click on Render Properties. From there check the bloom. You cannot see any effect till now. To see the effect you have to click on Viewport Shading Display Render Preview on top. Now you can see bloom or glowing cube. To change its color, click drop-down Show and Bloom checkbox. Now you can change the color by clicking on Current Displayed Color. In my case it is white. Say I want blue color, so just click on blue. You can see a little blue color around the cube. To see more blue color, just click to the material properties and in the surface drop down, increase the strength by putting number to it, or by click and dragging. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please press like button. If you have any doubt, comment it, share it. If you want to see more videos from this channel, click on subscribe button. Bye bye, see you next time with new video. Thanks again.